In this video, we're going to take a look at the N8N and CREWAI to see which one is the best. So here we have N8N. So basically with N8, you can basically create AI agents, you can automate your work. As you can see, they have over 400 integrations, and you can also code. If you know how to code, you could do that. Now if we go to pricing, we can see that the prices starts from 24 euros per month up to $60, and you have 3 shared projects, 20 concurrent executions, 7 days of insights, admin roles, etc. Now if we go to CREWAI, you can do basically the same thing. And if we go to the pricing, so let's see where the pricing is here. Now as you can see here, they don't offer right away. They're gonna basically give you a free trial to use it, and then you're gonna have to basically request a paid plan depending on your needs and how much would you like to use it. Now if I have to choose between these two, I'll go with the N8N because it's more popular and have more integrations. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.